what's on? So basically, this is gonna be the second half of everything that I do today. So if you guys want to see everything that I did so far today, feel free to check out the last video that I made. But this is gonna be like everything else that I do today. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Entrance is here.
Ooh, that one's pretty too.
Yeah, I know.
We see.
Show off.
Yeah, he's getting out the attention. Yeah.
Hey there, buddy. Get yourself. All right.
I love you.
Hey there.
Hello. Well, don't ask me to whistle because I can't. Hello. Hello.
You say hello? Hello? Hello?
No, you had enough for one morning, an afternoon. Come on, do it. I don't know our guys in here.
Hello? Oh look, Chloe. Get a picture. Hello? Hello to you too. Hello?
Bye-bye.
There we go.
Hello. Hello. Goodbye. Hello. Thank you. Hello. Goodbye. Hello. Goodbye. Goodbye. Say hello. 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 Yes, hello. Goodbye. Goodbye. Hello. Hello. Goodbye.
I didn't make him nod. He always tries to like.
Doing a special kind of dance. Hello. It's like some kind of a hip hop dance you're doing with the. Hello. Hey, hello. Goodbye. Take it easy. You're gonna get dizzy. Hello. Hello. Goodbye. Goodbye. Hey, goodbye. 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 Hello. Hello.
Stronger than an bike.
No, it will be alone. Hey. Hello. Oh. Say hi. Hey. Really speaking. Twelve two.
I am not hungry. Actually.
Is this your first time here or you?
No, it's
Almost 7. Just made it into Central Time too. Okay, so it's a little after 10 right now, so officially made it to like the Paducah rest area. Very close to like being in Illinois now.
I don't know. Oh, okay.
So I'm about like 3 hours away from home, so I don't know if I'm gonna be stopping anywhere else after this, but I'll either see you guys if I stop again, or I'll see you guys for the outro. Almost 1 o'clock right now, so made it to like the final rest area before I get home. Okay, so this is about all I'm gonna be doing for this video, so hope you enjoyed everything that I did today. Subscribe to my post notifications on, see what we do next. I think I'm maybe gonna have like a couple of like fall Giant City videos out. I don't know like if I'm gonna be doing Giant City or like Little Grand Canyon again. I think I'm probably gonna go back to Giant City though. This year I didn't go this spring, so it's possible I might do both of them too. So it depends on how much like how long the fall colors are gonna be lasting at home once I get back. But stay tuned for that, possibly in the future. And without further ado, we'll see you guys next time.